Hey guys, it's me Umesh from Wamoons. Today in this video, I will teach you how you can download Electro electronics theme for free.
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
Before starting video, let me show you the proof that I have Electro electronics theme in my WordPress site. As you can see, I have Electro electronics theme on my WordPress site.
What?
If you want this theme for free,
Yeah boy.
make sure to watch this video till end.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है.
Okay, now let's start the video. At first, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any new updates.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है.
Don't forget to like the video and comment on it. Now check description. If you want a good domain and hosting provider, then click on this link. You will get 65% off on your first purchase.
What?
And if you want someone to create a website for you, then you can contact this seller. Okay, now let's talk about Electro electronics theme.
Yeah,
Click on this
boy.
link. Then you will be redirected to this page. Scroll down and don't forget to like the post. Also, don't forget to comment. Now to download the theme, click on the download button. Now again click on this download button. You can see the theme is downloading. Now go on your WordPress site and upload the theme. One more important word, don't forget to unzip the file. Once you unzip the file, upload the theme file only. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you want any theme or plugins, you can comment. We will soon make video on it.
ठीक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का, दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए.